Hi guys, in this video I want to discuss with you what are the important elements you should include in your signature block. A signature block is a specific section typically found at the end of a document or email that informs the receiver who the document or email came from. The first element you need to include is your full name. You can also bold the font and make it slightly bigger. The next element to include is your title or your position within the company, as it provides additional context and authority to the document. Consider also adding your company name or logo to make the document more official and professional. Next is to add your contact information like your email address or phone number. This allows the receiver to easily know how they can contact you. Lastly, you will need to add your signature. This will make the document more formal. One of the easiest ways to do it is by inserting your electronic signature. If you don't have an electronic signature yet, you can get one from Artlogo. Artlogo creates professional signatures that are handcrafted by experienced calligraphers. An Artlogo signature will make your signature block stand out and leave a lasting professional impression. I will leave the website link in the description. So that's it. Now you have a professional signature block that has all the important details in it.